Welcome. This video I'll show you how to connect or link Epic Games account to your Marvel Rivals account. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now go ahead over to marvelrivals.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Then once it loads, go ahead and go to the top, click on login, and just log in with your Marvel Rivals account. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these options, including Epic Games. Now, if you have created your account from Steam, unfortunately, there is no cross progression for Marvel Rivals. Like, let's say you're from Steam, you'd like to transfer your account or connect to Epic Games. Well, that's not possible. Okay, the only option for you if you wanted to play Marvel Rivals on Epic Games is to create, of course, an Epic Games account and install Marvel Rivals from Epic Games. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my Steam account right here just for you to see that under connection right here, I'm going to click on my account. Then connections, only Twitch will be available. Okay, as you can see here, and under account information, only the Steam account. So if you want to create again, just log out. Go to your Epic Games. Now go ahead and look for Marvel Rivals. Click on it, install it, and once done, when you open it up, it will automatically log you in using your Epic Games account. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.